Is she a doctor? Are you the boss? Is he the owner? Are you a soldier? Is she hungry too? Are you ready yet? Am I safe here? Is it clear now? Is she scared of the dark? Are you satisfied with the results? Is he afraid of the future? Are we alone in the universe? Is this your package? Are these your children? Is that their fault? Is this your name? Are you okay with that? Am I wrong about that? Are you happy about this? Are you ready for that? Are you very hungry? Are they quite sure? Are they so different? Are you almost ready? Am I on the list? Are you from the police? Was he in the army? Were you at the party? Should I call a doctor? Could you give an example? Will you wait a moment? Would you like a drink? Can we start now? Can you stay late? May I leave early? Can you swim well? Can we go out? Would you speak up? Can you get up? Will you shut up? Can we go for a walk? May I go to the toilet? Can I speak to the manager? Can we talk for a second? Can you fill out this form? Can you pick up this box? Will you look over these papers? May I try on this dress? Can I see you tonight? May I visit you tomorrow? Should I open it now? Can I do it again? May I bring my friends? Will you follow my advice? Can you speak my language? Can you guess my age? Can you show me? Could he see her? Will you join him? Would he believe us? Can you see the invisible man? Could you wait a little while? Can we build an intelligent computer? Will you take a personal check? Are we leaving soon? Are you leaving already? Was she working yesterday? Is he working tomorrow? Did I forget to write the date? Do I need to get the manager? Do you plan to rent a car? Do you want to take a walk? Do you want to sit by the window? Do you plan to stay for a while? Did you remember to turn on the alarm? Do you want to talk about the matter? Do you know the answer? Did we hit the target? Do you read the paper? Did I miss the turn? Do you know the boy in the picture? Did you buy a ticket for the concert? Did you guess the end of the story? Do you want a ride to the store? Do you know her father? Did you find your parents? Do you miss your friends? Did you catch my idea? Do you need anything? Did we forget anything? Do you remember everything? Did you change something? Did you buy lunch? Do you need money? Do you play sports? Do you want silence? Do you have a hobby? Does she have a family? Do they have a deal? Do you have a website?
Who wrote a letter?
Who sent the flowers?
Who won the race?
Who drank the water?
What are your hobbies?
What are their names?
What is her age?
What was your strategy?
Where is the store?
Where are the files?
Where is the elevator?
Where are the boys?
Where is my money?
Where are our friends?
Where is their office?
Where are your parents?
Which book is mine?
Which team is ours?
Which car is theirs?
Which cup is yours?
Who is this man?
Who are these men?
Who is this woman?
Who are these women?
Why is she angry?
Why is it dangerous?
Why are we different?
Why were you absent?
How may I serve you?
How could I trust you?
How can you control it?
How would you change it?
What time will she arrive?
What advice would you give?
What challenges might we face?
What music should we play?
What would he like?
What will you decide?
What should we choose?
What might they find?
What time are they starting?
What day are you leaving?
What game were you watching?
What actions are you taking?
What is she writing?
What were they thinking?
What is he doing?
What are you planning?
What are we waiting for?
What are you working on?
What are you dreaming about?
What are you thinking about?
Where are they meeting?
Where are you living?
Where is he practicing?
Where were they heading?
Why are you bleeding?
Why are you crying?
Why are you calling?
Why are we fighting?
Which color do you like?
Which languages do you speak?
Which course do you recommend?
Which browser do you use?
What did you decide?
What did you bring?
What does he want?
What does he do?
How do we solve it?
How do you manage it?
How do we stop it?
How do you open it?
What movie did you watch?
What languages does he speak?
What technology does it use?
What sites did you visit?
What do you think of this outfit?
What do they do with that money?
What do they teach in those schools?
What do you know about these results?
What does the letter say?
What does the winner get?
What did the doctor say?
What did the company do?
What did he think about the idea?
What did you put into the boxes?
What did you buy at the supermarket?
What did you think of the wedding?
When did the war end?
When did the show finish?
When does the exam start?
When does the bank open?
Who owns the house?
Who knows the answers?
Who wants a coffee?
Who started the fire?
Why does he take that medicine?
Why did you choose that company?
Why did you make that deal?
Why did you take that risk?
Get ready for a shock.
Turn sharp to the left.
Stay quiet for a moment.
Be quiet during the lesson.
Be honest with me.
Be careful with him.
Stay close to me.
Speak French with me.
Draw a line on the paper.
Leave a space between the lines.
Take a book from the shelf.
Pick a name from this list.
Stop yelling in my ear.
Stop playing with your hair.
Stop fighting with your brother.
Take care of your health.
Put on some music.
Write down each word.
Look through these papers.
Try on this sweater.
Listen to your father.
Pick up your clothes.
Get out your notebooks.
Think about your future.
Write your name at the top.
Delete his name from the list.
Cover your feet with a blanket.
Keep your eyes on the road.
Write me a message.
Show him the evidence.
Give them a reason.
Tell us the news.
Take her to the hospital.
Follow him into the room.
Meet me outside the library.
Throw it into the fire.
Get off my car.
Take off your uniform.
Turn off your cell phone.
Put away your wallet.
Write with a pen.
Read through the article.
Start from the beginning.
Go inside the house.
Get out of the way.
Stay out of the water.
Move out of the way.
Keep up with the times.
Gather your toys up.
Put your shoes on.
Write your goals down.
Keep your speed down.
Allow me to explain.
Help me to understand.
Ask them to come.
Tell them to stop.
Stop acting like a child.
Stop screaming like a girl.
Stop acting like a victim.
Stop crying like a girl.
Tell me where she lives.
Tell me how it goes.
Show me where it hurts.
Show me how it works.
Include me in your plans.
Receive it in your house.
Help me with my tie.
Take me to your place.
Let me sing for you.
Let me look into it.
Let me translate for you.
Let me think about it.
Let me carry it.
Let me explain it.
Let me show you.
Let me taste it.